Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is September the 18th, FOMC day, news day. And guys, this is my trade breakdown for today, September the 18th. Guys, I didn't trade in the morning, in the afternoon, after FOMC came out. I did some light trading on FOMC, real cautious trading. And guys, this was a setup that I took after FOMC. This was FOMC candle, price shut down, then shut up here, and then for the hour between 2 and 3, price range, price range. So guys, the setup was I was looking for either the highs to be taken and then give me a reversal pattern to take out the lows, or the lows be taken and give me a reversal pattern to take out the highs. So after the FOMC made the highs and the lows, guys, about at 3 o'clock, yes, price started going to take heading down to take out the lows. It did take out the lows, range a bit. And I saw that it take out the lows. I saw it displaced up, closing above this fair value gap, and close above here with this fair value gap. When price traded down, the stops was so big, guys. I only took one contract on this trade. That was 94 points stop. So I took one contract here. Price started to reversing. I kept my stop where it was at the lows here, but I wasn't too confident in this trade, guys, because of what? These equal lows, and this is yesterday's previous day's lows. So that I wasn't really confident in this, but many times I see that price on a news, high impact news, price goes up, take out the highs, and reverse, take out the lows. So this was my bias, to take out the highs, then take out the lows. So price took out the lows here. This is FOMC lows, and I was looking for it to take out the highs. So after I saw that it took out the lows and then start displacing up, leaving fair value gaps, this disrespecting these bearish fair value gaps, I took an entry when it closed above that area. This order block here, consecutives bearish candles closing above there with leaving a fair value gap. I took an entry here. Price scared me a bit, reversed, came close to my stop, and then pushed up. But because I only took one contract, price moved up 153 points, guys. No, from my entry it moved up. My entry was about there. It moved up about 70, about 80 points. If I had two contracts on, I would have taken a profit, partial, sorry. But because I had only one contract on, I was trailing my stop. So when it broke the high, I think I trailed my stop about around here. That was putting me about 65 dollars in the negative. I didn't move it to break even yet. I just trailed it up because there was this fair value gap. I know that I was looking for price in case price came back down to retest this fair value gap. I didn't want it to take me out. So I think I had my, yes, right here under this candle, the number 3 candle of this fair value gap. I had my stops underneath of here. Then price shot up and came back, took me out. When I saw price took me out, then it came back down to take out this relatively equal lows and the previous days lows. Sorry. So price after it took out this previous day's low, it stalled here, stall here, stall here, stall here. And guys, when I saw that it was stalling here, I was looking for it to come to take out this relative equal lows, but since it was stalling, I had a feeling that it wasn't going to take out these. It wasn't going to take out this previous these equal lows. Sorry, it wasn't going to take out this equal lows. So I was looking for it to take out any lows here and displaced up. guys. So when it took out these lows in the market close, my macro, the final hour macro, from 3:50 to 4 o'clock, I saw that it took out these lows, leaving these lows intact. I saw that it took out these lows and start displacing up. That is when I moved to the 15-second chart, and I took a trade while its price was retracing inside of here. I took a trade, I put on 3 contracts, and then I rode it up. Price came down, used this fair value gap, pushed up. I took a partial here because I knew that top step normally closes all contracts at 410. So I took a partial here, took out two, and then at 410 here, top step closed my rest of my account. The first loss I took, I think it was about 60 something, and then I paid off that 60 something, and I made $773.54 net profit. Guy, my target was these relative equal highs up here. This was my target for the final hour macro. I was looking for price that displaced heavily to take out these highs, but it did not. It stalled, but I'm happy that I could cover my loss that I took. Previously on the first trade here, and even make back something. So guys, thank you for viewing.